Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about energy stored in a charge capacitor. Energy stored in a charge capacitor, class 12, chapter 2. Suppose we have a capacitor whose capacitance is C. Capacitance C. We have considered capacitor whose capacitance is C, and it is initially, it has no charge, it has initially no charge, and it is now charging. So it will charge gradually. Say after certain time its charge is Q. If it is charged, so potential will grow. So what will be the potential? V equal to Q by C. This is formula. C equal to Q. Q equal to CV formula. Q equal to CV. By this formula we have got this. And we have said that it is charged gradually. So if further small amount of charge is given, so we have to do small amount of work done. So what will be the small amount of work done? To charge it a small amount dq. So small amount of work done. Small amount of work done to charge the capacitor, a further small amount of charge dq. So dw equal to, we have got the formula V equal to W by Q. So W equal to V into Q. So dw equal to V into dq. So what is V? Q by C dq. So what will be the total amount of work done to charge the capacitor by a amount of charge capital Q? So total work done W equal to integration Q by C dq. Initially charge was 0, now it is charged by suppose Q. So what will be this integration? This will be equal to C is constant, it has come out. So Q dq, its integration will be Q square by 2. So put upper limit and lower limit. So this will be 1 by C Q square by 2 minus 0. So half Q square by C. This work done is stored in the capacitor as the potential energy. So if we represent potential energy as U, then U equal to this amount of work done will be stored in the capacitor in the form of potential energy, and potential energy is denoted by U. So U equal to half Q square by C. This is the energy stored in a capacitor. And if you put the value of Q, you will get half CV square. You will get also U equal to half C V square. Q equal to CV. So C square V square, 1 C cancel. So half C V square. You will get this also. Okay. So this is the energy stored in a capacitor. First, initially a capacitor capacitance is C. Initially it has no charge. It is gradually charging. Say after certain time it charges Q. So it will in the capacitor some potential will grow. So what is the potential? V equal to Q by C. Now the capacitor is charging gradually. So to further charge say small amount dq, we have to do small amount of work done. What is the small amount of work done? This is. So what will be the total work done to charge the capacitor by a amount Q? So integrate, we have got this half Q square by C or half C V square. Okay? Now we will find energy density. What we have got? U equal to half Q square by C or U equal to half C V square. Now we are going to discuss about energy density. Energy density means energy stored in the capacitor per unit volume. Amount of energy stored in a capacitor per unit volume, and it is denoted by U. Energy density is denoted by U. Therefore, U equal to energy density means ki energy stored per unit volume. Energy stored per unit volume. So what will be this? Half U by volume. So U equal to half CV square. You can write this formula, half C V square by volume equal to A into D. In parallel plate capacitor, area is considered A and separation between the two plates is D. So volume is A into D. Volume equal to A into D. This is the area of the parallel plate capacitor, and this is the D. D is the distance between the two plates. So what is the area, volume of the capacitor? A into D. This. Now what is C? C is epsilon naught A by D. Put here epsilon naught A by D to V square by AD. So half epsilon naught A D into D to V square. So A cancel. We are getting half epsilon naught V square by D square. But what is E equal to V by D formula? E equal to V by D. So E square equal to V square by D square. So V square by D square means E square. So equal to half epsilon naught E square. This is the expression for energy density. Energy density means energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume. So energy by volume. Put the value of expression. Put the expression of energy. This is this. You have got, and volume is this. Now C. What is C? What is the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor? This is this, and this by this, and if you simplify you will get this. Now what is V square by D square? V square by D square means E square. So this is square. U equal to half epsilon naught square. Okay, you read properly, you read properly with concentrated mind, then you will achieve your goal. Okay, bye.